Welcome back to Ashok Educational Groups. Second PUC Computer Science and Electronic Science reduced syllabus 2020 and 21 because 30% of the syllabus have been reduced for this year. So we shall see which is retained and which is deleted. ಸೊ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಉಳಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವಂಥ ಪಠ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ಸೊ ಉಳಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವುದನ್ನು ಓದಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಡಿಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಉಳಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವಂಥ ರಿಟೈನ್ಡ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಬೈಪೋಲಾರ್ ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ BJT biasing. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ transistor amplifier. Fourth chapter feedback in amplifiers. Fifth chapter operational amplifiers. Sixth chapter oscillators. Seventh chapter wireless communication. And eighth chapter modulation and demodulations. First point in eighth chapter modulation. Second point amplitude demodulation AM. Third point derivation for the instantaneous voltage of an signal. And fourth point modulation by several sine waves. And 10th chapter digital electronics. In that 5 points are there. First exclusive OR XOR and exclusive NOR XNOR. Digital codes. Third point arithmetic logic circuits. Fourth point simplification of Boolean expression. Fifth point sequential logic circuits. So these much retained syllabus you want to read for the exam. And deleted portion, this is deleted, ತೆಗೆದಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ and no need to read. In 8th chapter, in 8th only, 8th, 9th and 10th. So in 8th chapter 5th point frequency modulations. 6th point demodulation. 7th point AM super heterodyne radio receiver. And 8th point transmission lines. 9th antenna. 10th one digital communications, power electronics and its applications. In 9th chapter, 9th whole chapter have been deleted. Power electronics and its applications. First point power electronics and applications of power electronics. And in 10th chapter 2 points have been deleted. 6th and 7th register counters. And 11th chapter microcontroller. 12th chapter C programming. And 13th chapter modern communication systems. So these many. And 8th chapter, see deleted portion, 8th chapter. In 8th one 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th points. And in 9th chapter whole chapter have been deleted. And in 10th chapter 2 points, 6th one and 7th one. 11th, 12th and 13th complete chapters are deleted. No need to read for this year. Now we shall see computer science. Retained syllabus and deleted syllabus. So retained syllabus will be there for the exam and deleted will not be there. So for our exam we shall read only retained syllabus. These first chapter typical configuration of computer system. Second chapter Boolean algebra. Third chapter logic gates. Fourth chapter data structure. Fifth chapter computing C++. Sixth chapter basic concepts of OOP. Seventh chapter classes and objects. Eighth chapter function overloading. Ninth chapter constructor and destructor. 10th chapter inheritance. And 11th chapter pointers. 12th chapter data file handling. So 12 chapters are there in computer science. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12 chapters. Overall 12 chapter and deleted. Only 4 chapters have deleted, and 14th, 15th, 16th and 17th. Where is 13th one? 13th one also deleted. So here not there. SQL commas, 15th one, networking concepts, 16th one, internet and open source concept, 17th one, web designing. So these many 4 chapters have deleted. So no need to read. These are deleted for this year. And this much. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more notifications.